it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined with my little sister, hi, Lacey, and Axel, and also Stanley with
Victory.
Today we are doing quite an interesting video. Now it's our dog's birthday soon, so we thought what better way to celebrate his birthday than to make some peanut butter and banana pupcakes. Now I really hope these turn out well. I'm just pre-warning you now, this could turn out really bad, but I can't tell you at this moment, quite honestly. Also, me and Axel actually got matching tops on. So mine says, this human belongs to Axel, and then his says, I am Axel. They are from Shop Gracie USA. They take about 2 weeks to come, but they're so cute. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 ripe mashed banana, 80 grams of smooth peanut butter, 40 grams of flour, 45 grams of rolled oats, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 70 milliliters of water. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first step that we need to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Whilst the oven is heating, we now need to line our cupcake cases. Now whilst he's doing that, we're going to get started with the actual recipe. So first thing we need to do is add the eggs, honey and mashed banana.
I'm going to take the stick off. You don't want people to see.
For the banana, I thought I was going to play safe, and I'm going to put it in an IKEA bag. Like I've said in all my other videos, always use IKEA, they are amazing. Keep squishing that banana. Oh.
Add peanut butter and beat to force.
4, so we need to go to 84. Wow, I did quick maths, are you proud? I'm not trying to make a smooth paste, it's just never going to happen. The smell of it makes me feel sick. Do you like that? Do you like that?
Stop,
Yeah. Turn down.
You're a weirdo.
Put a peanut emoji if you like peanut butter. Put a piece of bread emoji if you...
Now the next thing we need to do is add flour, oats and baking powder.
We cooked in this form of scalp work.
Flour.
What are you doing?
And I don't know why oats go into this, because I can feel like it just gives the cake a really bad texture. Right then, good boy. 1 second. And then we need to add 70 ml of water. 1, 2. 10 hours later.
13, 14.
We've got to let this sit for 15 minutes. So we're going to sit here for 15 minutes. You're going to fast forward to when this is done. We've left the mixture to sit. I don't really know what it achieves, quite honestly, because it's thickened a little bit, but it's pretty much the same as what it was before. And we've now got to spoon it into the cupcake cases. No, don't get it on my hands. Basically, get me a claw. I got peanut butter on my hands. These cupcake cases have now been filled. I'm going to put it in the oven. Alright, they need to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to set them on for like 13 minutes. And then we'll get back to you.
You need a bag, some peanut butter, a spoon, and some scissors. You get a big, nice spoonful of peanut butter, and you've got to try and somehow get it in.
I'm also going to get a banana now. I'm going to cut up into some little chunks to decorate the top. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to put it in the freezer so it can thicken up and harden a little bit. A good thing about these cakes is you can either put them in a container and you can store them for 23 days, and if you freeze them, they last even longer. So
I always slip on this floor! Oh, we're running out of peanut butter.
Let's just... So guys, this is the finished product. I am well proud of these. I think they look really good. And I think Axel's going to really enjoy it.
just add, he's been sat here for a while, right?
Right, so here's Axel's cupcake. It's a moment of truth. He's either going to love it or he's going to hate it. What's this? Oh. Amazing. It's relax, okay. Wow. Should cut it up for her. Oh, I guess you like that. It's yummy. So good. They want to Lacey. What's that? Right, Lacey's about to try one now. Go. No, I would usually rate this myself, but I'm not going to because I don't like it.
It's really good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
It's really good.
You rate it a 10? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. So comment down below any other things you'd like me to try cooking, any challenges. Sure. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see all my latest videos and see what a crazy, weird life I lead. Turn post notifications on so you get notified when I upload all my newest videos. Follow me on Instagram at Jules xoxo to see all type of photos, see the stuff that doesn't go on YouTube, things that I'm up to, my stories, polls, questions if I'm doing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
I bent the spoon. It looks like you! It's crippled. Pupcakes! How did that take it?
Not so
Free cake! What if you have a nut allergy? And you're allergic to bananas like me? I can see it. They're a bit crusty. And the stanky fishes, stanky fishes, stanky fishy.
So that's what I'm related to.
Is it hot still? They're actually warm. They're decent. I can see it now. Do you know the song that goes dum 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 dum?
You're like meditating.
Get away.
My daughter, she's not my daughter.
They're yours, mate. Not yet. Oh, I knew. Oh, I knew.
I'm really cold.
Well, how do you think I feel?
You're gonna bake a pretty cake. If the way is tasty, can't get the cooker by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Girl.
No, wait, now it's a bit like, go do the cooking for me today.